can see the body's good and solid. It's not rotted out. No, there's no Bondo that I put in these fenders. There is a little bully ding right here. Yes, this is a Challenger gas cap. You can see no rot right here. The bed, I have not painted the bed inside. I'm going to use a brush-on bed liner on that. Yes, it looks rough. But hey, it's a truck, you know? It does have a new windshield in it. As you can see, like I said, still ain't put the headers on yet. I've got the starter off right now, so I can't crank it. See, there's me. Hello. And it's not that dark tinting, see, you know. Dash is original dash. And those are the new Thrush mufflers that are going on here. Nice Christmas present. Yay. And you can see that's the console. There's the seat. Oh yeah. Door panel has the wood grain. So you got a clock in here. Speedometer does register 100. No, I ain't put my stereo in it yet. The other radio I had went out, so oh well. There's my nice little tack, and it does have a little shelf thingy up here. My nice little Mopar fender cover, which is very nice because I don't scratch up my little things. Thank you very much, Little Miss Sunshine, for that. So I guess this concludes the little tour of the pick 'em up truck.